These are crispy chicken tenders na para kang kumain sa Cane's. Chicken tenders, marinade with salt, pepper, hot sauce. Marinade at least 1 hour. For the sauce, mayo, ketchup, black pepper, garlic powder, Worcestershire sauce, homemade cane sauce. For the dry batter, all-purpose flour, cornstarch, black pepper, smoked paprika, garlic powder. Then i-dredge lang natin yung chicken tender sa dry batter. Then sa cold water. Tapos balik natin sa dry batter. Then press. Deep fried hanggang maging crispy.